This is Quentin Flores with cbctmadeeasy.com, and let's go through basic navigation of your SICAT Air software. So I have our patient volume pulled up in Sidexis. This is pre-treated. So I'm going to go to Tools on the right-hand side, click, go up to SICAT Suite, and open up our patient volume in SICAT Air. Now we are on our standard airway view, as you see on the left-hand side, which offers us three views: axial, sagittal, and then our 3D volume here in the biggest view. I can also click NPR Radiology, and that is going to add a fourth view to our previous three, which is coronal. So you're going to spend most of your time in airway, so we'll go back there. And what we're first going to want to do is similar to how you would navigate through slices in Sidexis. We will click and hold, and let's move this slice up so I have a clear view of the airway in the axial view. And I'm going to want to double click right in the middle to set our crosshairs inside of that airway. This is going to help us align everything going forward. Now on the left hand side, a couple things I'll point out is if we go down, this second icon allows us to copy screenshot of an active workspace. So when I click that, notice over here on the right hand side there is now a screenshot of this particular workspace, and that can be printed off in a handout, which I'll show you in a later video. We can also click here to turn the crosshairs on and off, or I can click here to reset back to the original view when we open the software. Now, if we want to maximize any of these windows, like down here in the sagittal, we would click here in the upper right hand corner, click maximize, it opens up. Click that same button to restore it down to the multi-view window. Similar, we can also add a screenshot of this particular viewing window to our clipboard as well. But here in the main area, which you're going to be doing most of your patient education, as the 3D view, we have a couple different ways to look at this. So if I go to the right-hand corner, we can look at it volumetric view with soft tissue. I'll click that. I can go down to surface view. We can go to volumetric view with bones and soft tissue. And then lastly, we have volumetric view with bones. Now I also, under these gears, have the ability to change the value and transparency of any of these views, as well as clipping portions of the 3D volume out. But for the most part, you're always going to be in full view when you're showing the patient their segmented airway and treated airway as well.